Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. From me, from here is good night. Thank you, men and women. I welcome you, men and women, for today's program. I welcome you, all good people, all freedom lovers. I say welcome. I welcome you all the people, all the fans, people who have supported this platform. I say I welcome you people all. Before we move to them, please do us a favor. Many people watch our videos, then watch our programs, then doesn't subscribe. Please do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. As you are subscribing this channel, you are helping the channel and you are helping us to grow up this channel to continue to speak the gospel of truth. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. As in Chukwu Okike Abịama ya gọzie gị ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ife ọbụla ị na-eme. In the name of Chukwu Okike Abịama, ise. Today's program, what we are going to talk about today is, I will keep hitting on this because of when I'm telling our people that the problem we have in that old eastern region is all this the people called our governors and all this political elite. Those people are number one problem. All these governors from old eastern region, political elite from old eastern region, religious leaders, all these three people are problem. You will now ask me how they are the problem. Yes, let's discuss a little bit. Because of these men and the women are the one upon how them bring we Igbos to the ground. Then turn Igbos to tissue paper that it doesn't worth nothing. Because of what? They have sold their conscience because of money, because of bribe money. They have sold their conscience. When they sell their conscience, now their master don't have no respect for them. Because of these are men, they don't have honors. They don't have honor anymore because of they have sold their right for corruption, for money. So when you sell your right because of interest of money, interest of let me reach in my pocket, and you know that this is corrupt, and your master is there doing it to you, you know that you have below yourself more than a tissue paper. That is why you see them. They are robbing us with the Igbos, with the Biafrans. They are robbing us the same thing on our body, so that their masters will see us like the same like them. You know, that is why me and you, we have to rise up and say no to this nonsense, to these people who say they are elite. That is why you see Mazen Nnamdi Kanu languishing in DSS dungeon. You as an Igbo man, let me ask you, you as an Igbo man who is doing business in Alaba, who is doing business in Ladepo, who is doing business all over in a Lagos, in a Yoruba land. Let me ask you a question. Il eme business na Lagos na duto obna is it a reason na because of the reason he made that business in Lagos, or niwe hana or niwe hebi shiwepota? No, you have all those things. And this your governors, these people you call political elite, who have been roaming around in the corridor of power for long period of time. They couldn't provide any good facility, any good environment for you. They couldn't. And you, as an Igbo man that is doing business in Lagos, you are the one empowering that state then called Lagos State. And now, those people that you are developing their territory, they are not respecting you. They are disrespecting you. Do you know why? Your governors, your elite, your political elite, and your religious leader, people that will see truth and they hide it, they are your problem. They are the cause of that. You build houses in Lagos, they are burning your houses, they are destroying your properties, they are destroying your business. The people that cause this is those people that you call your political elite and your religious leaders from that old eastern region. These people are number one major problem that we are facing. Because of you as an Igbo man, you can stay in your land and do your business, which is in Igbo land, anywhere, whether you are from Anambra, whether you are from Abia State, whether you are from Owerri, whether you are from Enugu, whether you are from Ebonyi State, anywhere you can do your business there if you have that environment. But your governors, your political elite, then keep quiet for these years. For many years that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was shouting about this injustice meted on you as an Igbo businessman that you don't know up to today. Why you are suffering what you are suffering today in the Lagos state is because of all this. Because of, tell me, if you have seaports in the southeast, in the old eastern region, you have international seaport there. It's not that you have all these places, but them do what? They make it that it cannot be international. You have seaport in One, you have seaport in Iguacha, you have seaport everywhere. You can even create one even in Anambra State there. Because of you as an Anambra man, you are very close to the sea. You are very close to the high sea. But now they will be turning it around, telling you, no, it's Lagos. No, all these your goods pass through Lagos. It pass through Lagos, pass through Calabar, all this, it pass through Calabar and go back to Lagos. You as an Igbo businessman, where your goods have already reaching where you are. And these governors, they say they mean well to you. They couldn't provide this. And now, as you are doing your business in Lagos, you are paying tax into Lagos state government. And the more you pay tax there, you are developing their society, you are providing job for their people, you are making the place to be more better. And now, let me ask you a question. In the place you come from, you as an Igbo man who is doing a business, who doesn't believe in this, who doesn't believe in this struggle, who doesn't believe in this fight of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who doesn't believe in this fight of Mazen Simon Ekpa, let me ask you a question. Now, do you know that all your taxes that you are paying there in Lagos State, they are generating all these tax from you, and on top of it, you don't have respect. And you are the one holding that state. Just for example, check when you as an Igbo person during the Christmas period, when you leave, when people travel home, what happened in Lagos? Everywhere is dry. Everywhere Adikeba na Akwozu. So now, use your brain in what I'm teaching to them. Now, these people you call your political elite, they knows all these things. They know that what drives me and you to go to Lagos, to be doing our business, to go to Kano, to be doing all this business we are doing, because of we don't have that that environment that we can do our business there. Because of the government didn't provide a place that you can able to do that business there. They didn't provide it. And on top of it, to tell you how selfish and how stupid those people you call your political elite and your governor they are. They know that the tax and the people who is booming Lagos is you as a businessman. For you to know that they are there only for their personal interests. Listen and listen carefully. Now, all the goods, your businesses you are doing in Lagos, you are paying that tax to Lagos state government. Ask me a question. Why, if you are paying tax to your own state, where you come from, and you are doing your business where you come from, if the government, your governors that you believe, all this political elite that you trust on, provide all this environment for you, tell me what will take you to Lagos? You have seaport around you. You have all seaport around you, but then put it, no, that you cannot flourish from there, that those seaport cannot work for your favor. So for you to know that part of your problem are these men. The earlier these big men who have money, these business enterprises men that we have in Anibo, Unuge Kuni, Marasena, you people will be shouting insecurity, insecurity. That is why I told you that number one, insecurity, you have to hold your political elite in accountable first before you can talk about insecurity. Because of if they produce jobs, provide opportunities, you will not hear about all this. That only you have this seaport in all these states in a old eastern region. An Igbo man who is doing business in Onitsha, who is doing business in Owerri, who is doing business anywhere, you can go to very nearby seaport, you clear your goods, and you come back, you are doing your business, you are paying tax to the government, and the government is benefiting from what you are doing. Now, it's still double for them. But then, they can't fight for something good for you. It's not a good road. Everybody, you are in exile. You are in the Lagos. You are there. Because of what? Are you telling me as an Igbo man that you don't have land in your place? Or you don't have where you can build all those? You have them. Because of your governors and your political elite are not speaking for you. They are speaking for their personal pocket. That is why you can see a Yoruba man can tell you, can talk to you anywhere, anyhow they want. And Hausa man, Fulani that is their master, can use you as a rag. And you keep quiet. You say that, oh, I'm an Igbo man, you have money. I'm a Obi Kubana, I'm Chief Prince Kubana, I'm this, I'm that. All of them. Bring them together. They are all, because of them are all fools. Because of them have only money for their pocket. Because of them don't think for the betterment of others. Because of when you have a good environment and a good and a conducive environment that people can able to do their businesses, and you make things very easy and available to them. Nothing will take you as an Igbo man who is always complaining what is happening to you in Lagos, then spoil your businesses. You'll be paying money on top of money. All those money that you are spending out there, if you are spending it in an Igbo, do you know how an Igbo will look like? People will be, then will die for them to come to an Igbo. Let me just let you know if you don't know. Because of if your governors, they are all afraid. That is why you see them. The only thing they can give to you is only, that is why you see them. They are arming boys. They are arming men. They are boys, people who believe in their, who they are giving all this. This one is not even a cross. I don't know what to call that. This one, carbon, just when you eat a Chinese photo, one come in a motor, so this is what they are giving to all those boys. So for them to secure them, because of Manaha commit to go atrocity against their own people. That is very, very clear. They couldn't give you seaport, no seaport. They couldn't give you international airport, no international airport. These are major economic where you can make money. Who travel? Okay, let me ask my people question. Who are the most travelers do you have in that country, that zoo country called Nigeria? It's Igbos. Do you know when you have international airport in many states? Do you know the kind of money that those states are generating? You have seaport, they are generating money from there. They are generating money from everywhere. You see that this insecurity they are talking about automatically will die because of them didn't create them. This your politicians, this your political elite, they know that this day will come. That is why you see them, they arm all those their guys. They know that this day will come because of Mali asks you, for how long do you think you can fool the people, but you can't fool them all the rest of their life? No, this your political criminals, they know. Because of that, a day like this will come when the people will rise and said no to all this nonsense. That is why you see them then keep Mazi Simon and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS dungeon. They are the one keeping him there. Let me just tell you, this one you are there ranting a Nigerian this. No, is this your political elite and your religious leader are the one that kept our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu where he is, because of he's exposing their evil atrocity. Like these things I'm telling you now, these are common things that a normal person can do. You see Sorudo, what Sorudo will be doing for you in Anambra State is to bring military that will destroy you. It's not bringing seaport for you. It's not bringing international airport for you. It's not bringing a good school for you. It's not bringing anything good. It's only to bring the people that are going to destroy your own life. Which kind of a human being is this? I remember when the dead Buhari was saying that, oh, Southeast is an adult in the circle. Because of your political elite, all these people are not, look at them. 2027 is coming. Please do us a favor as you are watching us. Do us a favor by subscribing to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. As you are subscribing on this channel, you are helping us and you are helping this platform to grow more. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Now, their politics is coming, elections are coming. So you'll be seeing this, your political elite, your Igbo leaders now, the people who want to run for power, they have been there for a long time for corridor of power, drumming around there. They want power on top of power. You see them now, they'll be going to the north, going to the IDP camp. That is where they will go in and be sharing their nonsense, sharing one cup of rice, sharing them rice and everything. Then we come back. Because of that is where their campaign will be folding on. Because of these places they are going to do their campaign in the north, any of them, first of all, will go to campaign and pay allergic to Fulani. When they go and pay the allergic to Fulani, then we now carry money then we use to develop Alibo. That is money that they still stolen from me and you. Then we now give it to them. After paying allergic to them, for that one, you see that they'll be going to one IDP camp to another, saying, oh, we are doing this, we are doing that. But they will not do it in your own place, so because of them call you nobody as an Igbo man. If you don't know, your political elite, then don't respect you as an Igbo person. If you don't know this, I want you to, then don't have no single respect for you. The only respect they have, what they have for you is only death. That's all. Over their own cities. That is why when you see Buhari that make that, okay, let's say that they say that Igbo land is a dot on the nation. That is what that dead Buhari said. Let me show you something here. Let's listen to something here. This is about Burkina Faso. Let's listen to something here. Just one second. Let me bring something out. Okay, we go. Burkina Faso does not really much, Let's hear what this man is going to talk about Burkina Faso. Listen here. Just listen. I want us to know something. Faso does not really have much in terms of mineral resources. It's landlocked. It's landlocked. Okay. But the most important resource really are the people. Think about it. It's the people.
So you don't have the kind of gold, diamond, copper, uranium, cobalt, coltan that Congo has. But now you have one of the best leaders ever produced in Africa. Says, let's stop this dependency, physical dependency and mental dependency. Change the name of the country from Upper Volta to Burkina Faso, the land of the uprighteous people. And they started doing for themselves, right? Including producing their own food. He said, if you have to import your food, how can you say you're independent? We've been growing food for such a long time, for centuries, before the Europeans came. Now, why are we importing food? Within 3 years, they were food self-sufficient, right? Education, healthcare, fighting deforestation. The people started taking control of their own destiny. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. This is the kind of Burkina Faso does not really have.
He said that Burkina Faso, because he's talking about Burkina Faso here, that they don't really have the kind of mineral resources that others have, that they are landlocked country, but they have the people. Now they have the best leader in Burkina Faso. So now, ịma na ndị Igbo kwuru okwu si na ọ ganaghị emenu ọkọgụ n'enu ọkọkwa gị n'ala. Ịghọtara? Now they don't have all these things, but now they have the good leader, which is Ibrahim Traore. This Ibrahim Traore now have told them, and they provide facilities for them. He told them, look at what we are going to do. Go to farm. Go to see Burkina Faso now. You see how a nation is thriving. This is what they call leader. You understand? But in your own country, people, your elite, and your governors, and all this your political elite, then will be advising you to be importing food because of they know that they have sold this your land to their masters, Fulanis. If you don't know it now. So that is why they encourage you to be importing food instead of them to encourage farming. Make sure that people go to their farm and bring their crops during the times of harvesting their crops. But no, the other way around, they are not doing it because of they know that they have sold your land. So now, the more you are doing this importation of food, is more better for them. So that the Fulani herdsmen now will be using your farm now, and they'll be turning this our small little crops that our mothers they have planted, then we turn that to a battlefield. You see that? Because of what they want. Because that is why you see many people now shouting that there is no food. People cannot go to farm and bring their crops that they have harvested for a long time because of these killers that your governors, your elite have collected money and allowed them to be roaming in your place. You go to Ebonyi State today, what is happening there? In Ebonyi State, the number one person who brought Fulani there is Devo Mahe. Open a large door because of what? One useless person had promised him that he's going to make him a vice president. They are not running for president, they only run for VP. These are the kind of people that you are trusting. They are now making life miserable for their own people. And you want us to be clapping for them. Then we carry siren and be disturbing people. The rest, you will still be clapping for them. Election is coming. You'll be now saying that you are going to do election. The earlier you realize this is better. Now, then kept Mazen Namduku Kanu where he is. Then kept Simon Ekpa where he is. Nobody is saying something. Because of they know that these people are their obstacle that they have. If they take them out of the way, they can able to achieve this their evil they want to achieve in our land. But we are here to tell them no, that it cannot happen. As far as we are here, we are watching them, we are monitoring them. That is why I'm telling our youth, the earlier you realize that you as a youth, you as a community leader, you as the people have to defend yourselves. Number one self-defense is you. You must to trust yourself first, what you can do for yourself first. Now you are sure of you can defend yourself and defend your land, defend your community and defend your neighborhood. Because of these men, you call your politicians, They have nothing good planned for you. They have come to destroy. They don't care, because of with that little money they are getting, that little crops they are getting from their masters Fulani. They are for them is okay for them. As far as they can use it and train their kid outside the zoo country, they can be going to their hospital outside the zoo country. The one they don't provide for you, why did they be, when they get sick they will run abroad for hospital? Why wouldn't these foods provide the same thing there for you? That is my question. Why wouldn't them provide the same thing for you? As in, if you the same thing, if they know that this kind of thing they are coming in abroad, good hospital, good road, 24 hours electricity, good environment, then want it, then like it. That is why they come here to do it. Why you, the money the people have given you, the money of the people is in your hand. What you use, you're not using it anyhow you want. You just misusing the funds of the people. And the people will still hang at the back of these politicians. I say, may God have mercy. I say, God have mercy on our people. From me, from here is good night. Please, as you are getting this video, subscribe to this channel. Share our videos to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say, may God bless you. I say, from me, from here is good evening. Good night, sorry.